Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna help you setting up the Wick bot for anti-alt, auto-mod, anti-nuke and that kind of things. So first you have to invite the bot. I will put the link in the description so you can just click on it. The link is wickbot.com. You click on add Wick. Then you add it to the server. I will add it to my Wick tutorial server. I will just give it administrator, but you can change that in the server too if you want. Then you get a DM, thanks for choosing Wick, and then all the information. So next up, you can customize this all by yourself. I will just start with the anti-nuke. So first click on general settings. You can disable or enable the anti-nuke. I don't really like this, but so I will disable it. Prune detection, that's for premium. Popular bot whitelists, so for like Xenonbot, for server backups and that kind of things. Quarantine, I don't like quarantine at all, so I will just disable all of this. I don't really like the anti-nuke, but you can view it yourself. Alright, next up I will set up the auto mod. General settings, you can here enable or disable it. The anti-spam, watch webhooks, time mutes, you can all customize this yourself. Custom heats, Wick works with heats. If the heat is on 100%, they get punished. For the auto mod you can also add filters, or you can whitelist spam, pink mentions, invite links, quarantine, or add everyone. The last thing I want to do is the join gate. You can all customize the verification, the statics and etc. yourself. The join gate, I really like this one because you can disable alts from joining your server. So status, you want this to be enabled. DM members, I will enable this too, because then the members get a DM when they get banned or kicked from anti-alt. No avatar filter, I don't really like this one because some people just don't like an avatar, so I will just disable that one. This one is premium. Suspicious account filter, I don't like this one either, because I don't know what Wick sees as a suspicious account. Advertisement names filter, I will just enable this. And the last one, account age filter. This is the important one, because here you can customize the anti-alt. Make with target new accounts joining that are under a specific age limit. You want this to be enabled. I want Nick to ban, kick, mute or quarantine new accounts joining that don't meet the minimum requirements. I will suggest this leaving on ban, because otherwise they keep joining and joining and joining. You don't want that, trust me. Have Rick react when the account joining is less than 5 days old. You can just set it on whatever days you want. You can use 7 days, 5 days, 3 days, or whatever you want. I just like 5 days, because within the 5 days Discord will already disable the alt accounts, so 5 days is safe. Make Wick show the minimum age required to join the server when DMing the person. I want this to be disabled, otherwise people know how to bypass the alt ban, anti-alt. Alright, and that's it. Now all you have to do is go to your server, then type W exclamation mark setup, and then just let Wick do his job. As you can see, he's setting up the muted role. He's also setting up the quarantine role. I don't really like the quarantine role, so I will just show you guys how to disable that. we created Wick logs, mod logs. Wick logs is like for the join gate, anti-alt if someone get banned. Mod logs is for moderators that are using the Wick bot for ban, kick, mute, etc. Alright, if you don't want to use the anti-nuke, you can type W !anti-nuke 1 ? Off. If you already disabled it in the dashboard, you will see this. Then it's all good. If you want to disable the verification, you type this W ! verification 1 ? off. If you already disabled it in the dashboard, you will get this message too. If you want to disable the heat function, so that's if you only want the join gate, you can type W ! heat 1 ? off. And now only the join gate will work. That's all, guys. You can just go on the dashboard and take a look at the dashboard yourself for other functions of the bot. I hope I helped you guys with this bot. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section and I will try to help as much people as I can. And then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.